elevator sign. This is the elevator at Dillards Man, originally JCPenney. Yeah, ironically. And this is the men's store. Anyways, this is the elevator at Dillards Man, children's original JCPenney at the Summit Mall. Montgomery, KONE. That button has like a weird click to it, and normal like a weird pressing. The close button does not work. 30,500 pound capacity. No indicator. There was the original, or no certificate. There's the original Montgomery GP indicator. Pretty nice cab. Innovation fixtures. This one is a bit nicer than the Dillards women's store. We're gonna end down here on 1, probably. Alright, let's see this motor. Not bad. Alright, I'm gonna end on 1. This is not a bad elevator. Really nice, actually, for a Dillards. Especially for one that was originally at JCPenney's. Okay, let's ring the bell. There it goes. And